Hemant Garu to address. It's indeed a pleasure to have him first time in Act Now Dayas. Great privilege, sir. Thank you so much.
నా పేరు డాక్టర్ హేమంత్ కల్కుంట్ల. ఐఎమ్ కార్డియాక్ సర్జన్, సెంచరీ హాస్పిటల్, రోడ్ నెంబర్ 12, బంజారా హిల్స్. ఇవాళ ఈ అవార్డ్ సెరమనీలో కలాం గారి పేరు మీద డాక్టర్ల కృషిని, వాళ్ళ సేవల్ని గుర్తింపు చేసి ఇవాళ అవార్డ్స్ ఇచ్చటం జరిగింది. దీస్ అవార్డ్స్ ఆర్ very good recognition of the doctors and the service the doctors do to the society at a time when doctors are being blamed for everything. Doctors work hard to save lives. That is what they do. But sometimes it is beyond the scope of humans to be able to serve or improve patients. Patients need to understand that there are some critical patients and any amount of treatment will not save them. So we have to respect the work which is done by doctors. Thank you.
Hemant Garu to address. It's indeed a pleasure to have him first time in Act Now Dayas. Great privilege, sir. Thank you so much.
I have special thanks to Murthy Garu for inviting me. As Dr. Ghanshyam just said, it is a rare opportunity to meet colleagues, juniors, seniors, colleagues you have worked with in the past, colleagues you have known closely in the past, and meeting them. It was a pleasant surprise that I met my classmate, Dr. Geeta, and then Dr. Archana, very senior gynecologists, obstetricians, and it was a pleasant surprise, as you just mentioned, Dr. Ghanshyam. It was nice. Dr. Yadav Garu, Dr. Ghanshyam Garu, and Sai, it's been a privilege to know you all for such a long time. Maybe Yadav Garu, I've known you from probably since I was, that's right. And I have worked with Dr. Ghanshyam in care and at Century also. And Sai, I have known her from medical school. I have known her while we were in the UK as well. And Sai and Sanjay are good friends. So it's a privilege to be among friends, colleagues, and senior people of the medical fraternity. Only a couple of messages from my side, and that is, it is a good endeavor, sir. Doctors don't do these for doctors themselves, and that's a pity. And I think when somebody is coming to do this for the doctors, I think not only doctors, but I think people at large should appreciate what is happening to doctors. I think doctors have become a commodity in the society, be it the politicians, be it the government, or be it the regulations. I think they see us as a soft target, and which is true. We are soft people. But I think our softness has to be our strength as well. And I think in the coming years, you will see that medical professionals will also become professional in the way they will assess, address, and tackle topics relating to the care of doctors. And I think this is quite important. And the only other thing I will say is doctors will have to take care of their health as well. We will have to spend some time for ourselves. And I think that is quite important. And for all my colleagues, and including me, now I'm on the other side of 50, and if I don't take care of myself now, there will not be anybody to take care. With that, just a couple of messages for Dr. Sir. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Please do subscribe Myra Media.
Please subscribe Myra Media.
Subscribe to Myra Media.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media for a lot of film news, gossips and hot news.
Please like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.
For more interesting updates, please subscribe to Myra Media YouTube channel. For more updates, please subscribe to Myra Media.
So like, share and subscribe to Myra Media.